The Siamese Fireback is a medium-sized and exceptionally beautiful pheasant, reaching about 80 centimeters in length. Both its head and legs are a striking red, paired with a graceful posture and vibrant plumage that make it easy to identify in the wild. Its most distinctive feature is the crest clusters of delicate, plume-like feathers that resemble a peacock's crown. These crests taper at the base and fan out at the tips, soft as silk threads, gently bobbing as the bird moves. Much like the traditional feather ornaments worn by officials in ancient times, this unique trait sets it apart from other pheasants. Most active during dawn and dusk, the Siamese Fireback is often spotted walking through forest paths, bamboo groves, and dense shrubbery. They're usually in small family groups, native to Thailand and parts of Southeast Asia. It holds the honor of being Thailand's national bird. It is listed in the IUCN Red List of threatened species,